Hello everyone, my name is Antrik Jain. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Salesforce Data Security Model. For every system and organization, data security is a major concern, and they pay for the data security. Salesforce provide a flexible and comprehensive data security model and provide a wider level of access to open up as per the business scenario. In Salesforce, there are mainly three types of layer of data security we have. First is object level, field level, and record level. So objects are similar like tables in database. Fields are similar to columns of the data, and records are similar to the rows of data inside the data table. Okay, so first we will discuss about the object level. At object level, by profile of permissions, access provide the data security. Profiles is like a set of permissions we provide for the users. So on that basis, whatever the thread of access we have to provide, we provide accordingly. Basically, it provide a minimum level of access. Access like create, read, edit, and update. These are the thread permissions. Permission set is just like additional permission on top of profiles. Like if some permission is not available with the user, then for additional purpose we provide that particular access by using the permission set. Let's give me an example. Assume in a sales executive group, there are four persons, and four persons having a read access of read access of records. But for one person, we want to give additional access of edit the record. So what we will do here, we will provide a profile level access of read permissions for all the four users. On top of that, we will create a permission set and give additional permission of edit. And we will also create a group of users where we will add that particular person whom we want to give that access and assign the permission for that user. So on this way, we can provide the access for the that our user by using the permission set, and that way we handle the object level permission for our users. On second level, we have field level security. So on field level, we can also give the access by the we can handle the access by permission or permission sets. On top of that, something like we want to hide the field particular field from the users, we can do this by field level security. And third level, we have record level security. Record level security, just like we can provide the access um, for the record for our users. There are certain types of record level security we have. First is organization wide default. In short, we call this OWD. Then role hierarchy, then sharing rule, and manual sharing. Organization wide default. This is a inverse pyramid you can see here. Organization by default having low space means it provide a basic minimum access for all the users. And now after that, visibility opens up means the access will be open record level. Access will be open for the other users, like by role hierarchy, and then sharing rules and manual sharing. So how OWT is provide the basic minimum access, and if we want to provide more access to our users, we will use role hierarchy, sharing rules, and manual sharing to open the record level access. Okay, um, we will describe here like types of organization record level security, OWT, role hierarchy, sharing rule, and sharing rules are two types: honor based sharing rule, criteria based sharing rule. Fourth one is manual sharing. Fifth one is Apex manual sharing. So we will discuss about them first. Okay. OWT provide minimum basic level of access. So whatever the default behavior we have with our Salesforce, it will provide the minimum access level. Role hierarchy is like if you're I can give an example. Like there is a sales manager and one is sales executive. Okay, so whatever the access we have with the sales executive, automatically the sales manager will have that lower level of access. That access, it means if a new manager is appointed, and whatever the access we have with its subordinate, all access will have automatically to their its manager. So this is defined by the role hierarchies. Sharing rule. Sharing rules like we shared our record access to certain other users. Okay, like it's an exception for the sharing. Uh, like certain users of group wants to access for those records. So by using the sharing rules, we can open the access for that users or owners of group of owners. There are mainly two types of owner based sharing rule and criteria based sharing rule. Owner based means like we can share our record level of access by using the roles, subordinates, but public group ownership from these methods. Criteria which lies on value of field, whatever the field we want to share. Like in account, we have like city, revenue. These fields we want to share with the other users. We can share by criteria based sharing rules. Manual sharing is it's not a automatic sharing. This is done by manually. There are certain conditions like if our OWT is private, then manual sharing will be open to share our records to other users. Assume if our other colleague is on leave and he wants to hand over his records to you. What he will do? He can share them manually the records to you so that you can so after the leave you can handle his records and you can work on that. And on other things like if you are not able to share the record on the UI level, you can also share the records on the by using the Apex code. These are the Apex managed sharing rules. Thank you. If you like the video, please watch, comment, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.